Hey creative friends, welcome to my channel, and today is Sunday, and that means it is a product review day. And this is a little bit of a different product review because I have already reviewed Kimberbell products and I love them all. This is like a special deal for you that I got to tell you about because it's so cool. But I got to tell you, I got this big box from Kimberbell, and you know what was in it? Needle punch kits. The coolest, newest release needle punch kits. There's 4 kits in here. One of them is a special deal that I'm going to tell you about in a second. But I'm going to open this and I'm going to take these kits out and I'm going to show you what they are because I'm so excited. I love it. These are so much fun. First of all, I have to tell you, if you're looking at this and you're thinking, oh, it's crafty and I'm not crafty, you don't need to be crafty. You don't need to know how to sew. You don't even really need to know how to do any kind of crafting because the directions are so perfect and this is so easy. Literally, seriously, anybody can do it. But looky, look. So there are 3 new release kits that are so cute. They're perfect for the summer, 4th of July, that kind of thing. But there's something really cool about the new kits that I love. So the first kit, this is the one I'm going to start working on. And I'm going to show you these 3 kits. And then I think over the next couple 3 weeks, I'm going to work on them. And so I will do like progress videos. I'll do at least a couple progress videos for the week to show you how I'm doing. But this one is the one I'm going to start with because it's so cute. They're all cute, but this is the one I want to start with. This one is the Patriotic Party Kit. It actually has 2 projects in it. It's got these 2 little projects. This is cute. And I'm going to show you what's in it. So the thing that's cool about the Kimberbell needle punch kits is because what do you need, like supplies wise, to do them? Nothing. You don't need anything because they give you everything. I'm not kidding. Let's take a look in here. I'm going to take all the things out. I already unzipped it so that I could show you. So in here, and there's even, where's the little paper? There it is. Okay, so let me show you. And then I'll show you what else is very cool. So this one has, you can see, 2 little projects. See those projects? Okay, so that means there are 2 of these hoops. Okay, there's 2 hoops. I took them out. I don't like the noise. I don't want to make the noise for you. Anyway, let me get this one out for you. Oh, sorry about the crinkly paper. A lot of people don't like that noise. I don't. Okay, 2 of these hoops. And look, those are good size hoops. So the cool thing I got to show you specifically about these hoops, and I have been a crafter for many, many years, and I've never really seen these kind of hoops until I got a Kimberbell needle punch kit. These hoops, you know, old school embroidery hoops are like a wooden hoop with a wooden hoop that slide inside and the 2 sides go right next to each other, and you put your fabric between those. These are very cool because the outside part that looks like wood is bendy. Look at that. It's bendy, and it fits into this internal ring. And the neat thing about it, which is super cool, here, did you hear how it just kind of went in there? This has got this curve. So when you put your fabric in there, it's literally locked in place by this. So if you're one of those people that hates it when your fabric kind of slides around, it won't do it with this, which is nice. So, so that's cool. And as you're punching, if it gets loose, it's real easy just to kind of pull it and tighten it back up again. So I love these. And in this kit, there's 2 of them because it's a double project. Double project. And then in the kit, if you look on the picture here, you're going to see how there's like this little thing around there. What is that thing? Oh, it's not I want to call it a pinafore, but a pinwheel. So the little pinwheel and then the little cupcake. See the fabric? They have that already pre-cut. You don't even have to cut this. Pre-cut, and it's in this nice little zip top plastic, keeps it nice and against a piece of cardboard so it's flat, so none of your stuff is even wrinkly. You don't even have to pre-iron that because that's going to get ironed onto your fabric. And I'll show you about that in a second. But did you know with every single needle punch kit comes a brand new needle, a brand new punch in every single kit? Like, you don't even, like, it's amazing. So you've got that. And then in there's this little piece of wire. That's like a wire loop that is your threader for this. And they actually have videos that show you how to thread the needle, how to do the punch stitches. It's amazing. But don't lose that piece of wire because you're going to need that. So you've always got that. So you got that. You also have a needle threader and a regular needle, and that's for like closing up the back of your project, or if there's a needle, or if there's little embellishments that go on there. And they even give you all the embellishments for this, which are like right here, the little ribbon. They give you that, and they give you all of the yarn that you need. But there's a new thing, and this is so cool. So before, you would have a picture and you had to trace it on your cloth. That was my least favorite part of doing the needle punch, but they made it easier for me, so it's made it easier for you. They have pre-printed now. The picture is pre-printed on the cloth, and it's done well enough that you can see it from the back. So if you're punching from the back to make the loops on the front, it's easy to see. So it's pre-printed on the fabric. So you're going to put that in your little hoop, and I'll show you something because some people might be confused. This hoop is shaped like this because the little top is up here, but this is going to go right side up. I literally had somebody ask me, what do you do when it doesn't work like that? See, it's going to be sideways because this just comes off, and because it's not like a traditional hoop, you're just going to turn it around with the little loop at the top. See there? That's how it goes. So you can put this any way you want. That's kind of neat. So you've got your pre-printed cloth, and then this one you can see it has the other pre-printed design on there. I'm not going to open that one there. So that is adorable, and that's the one I'm going to start with. And that one I'm going to do a couple of videos throughout this coming week and show you my progress on the Patriotic Party Kit. So cute. The other one, oh, this one just reminds me of the county fair. I feel like it's a county fair kind of thing. Look at that one. Isn't that cute? That's the Americana Cowgirl Kit, and it has the little cowboy boot, and it has the little fabric. Look at this. Pre-printed, and everything's included. See? It's not hard. And there's the little iron-on pieces, and those little pieces are going to iron on here, in there. And when you, this is already stretched onto this frame, and when you lay these on here, and I'm just going to give you a tip. When you lay those on there to iron them, you could put like a folded up sock or a folded up fabric or something. They do have a little mat that you can get from Kimberbell that will go under it to provide support. But if you get your kit and you don't have something, just fold something up to give it the support when you put that on there and iron it. So simple. So, well, I guess you do need an iron then. That's one thing you need. But I would hope that everyone would have an iron. I do, when I was a manager in a bank and I had new tellers who did not have irons, I would have to hem their pants and iron their things for them. I was that kind of mom. Anyway, then that was the Americana Cowgirl Kit. Was adorable. Now the Stars and Stripes Forever Kit, and this guy's big. It's a big kit. Look at that. It's super cool. And here we have another awesome situation where everything's together, perfectly printed on there, and the little stripes, because you can see here, there's going to be the little fabric stripes, and then you're just going to punch, you just iron them on there and you punch around. It's just that simple. And Kimberbell has phenomenal instructional videos on their website. So like I say, you don't have to be crafty. You can just surprise everyone you know by doing this. So what was the fourth kit? That's the question. The fourth kit is such a good deal. This is the Petal Pop Kit. It is adorable. And right now, Kimberbell has a thing going on for you. And in the description will be a link so that you can get this. What it is if you purchase a kit, a Kimberbell Punch Kit, you're going to get a Petal Pop Kit for free. And this is the full size, full price kit that has not been like made smaller or anything to be a freebie. It's the real deal. It's the one. This is awesome. And it even comes with a little, oh my gosh. I have to. And so this is one of the ones that would be from before they started printing on the cloth. So this one you would have to draw on there like we've always done it. It's not a big deal. But look, got your pin, got your punch needle, got your little, and see, this one, because this is one of the ones that you have to draw on, they actually give you the pin to do it and detailed instructions. They even give you the little button to put on there. See the little ladybug on the leaf? There she is. you get her. You get everything. It's amazing. So you get absolutely everything in your kits. Now, click the link in the description. It's going to take you over to a form. And it's one of those things where you just put your email address in and they're going to send you a code. Then when you purchase a kit, I just love these summer ones. These are super cute. But if you purchase a kit, you're going to get this one for free. And this is a full price kit for free. So that's pretty darn good. I'm excited about it. So that's the thing. Kimberbell, again, comes through with an amazing product, amazing deal, amazing quality, and amazing convenience. And look, did you guys notice? Every single kit is in its own bag. These bags are reusable. I think they're awesome. They're great for traveling. They're great for keeping your travel projects in. I just love them. So I'm excited about them. And it says, experience the joy of creativity. But you know what? You can experience the joy of creativity and creativity for free. Okay? So I think you guys should give it a try. Be sure and check it out. Be sure and use the link and fill out the form to get your code because you don't want to miss out on a free kit. And I will do a couple of videos each week with my progress on these kits because I think they're going to be adorable and it's just a lot of fun. And as always, thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video.